Welcome to Seaside Suites, a modern and elegant platform designed for property owners who want to rent out their apartments, villas, or vacation homes with ease. With Seaside Suites, you can create beautiful and informative listings, complete with descriptions, high-quality photos, amenities, and real-time booking calendars. Guests can effortlessly browse and find their perfect stay, filtering by dates, preferences, and location, enjoying a smooth and intuitive booking experience. For owners, the admin dashboard brings everything together. Manage bookings, users, and payments in one place, with full control and clarity. Guests, in turn, can view and manage their reservations right from their personal accounts. Seaside Suites gives you everything you need to launch your vacation rental platform quickly, professionally, and stress-free.